Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your existing account on the Phantom Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Phantom Wallet application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the login as well as create new wallet button. Tap on the I agree checkbox first and then tap on I already have a wallet. You now have two different options. You can either continue forward with your email address or you can tap on other import options. From here you can use your seed phrase, your private key, as well as your hardware wallet. Tap on whichever option you prefer to use. And now you can just enter your secret recovery phrase. This phrase is given to you while you create your account and sign up for Phantom Wallet in the first place. And you are asked specifically to store it securely for future use. Just paste this recovery phrase within this box and then tap on import secret phrase. Once you tap on this button, this will look for your account, and once your account has been found, you can tap on continue in order to sign in using this account right away. And now you can finalize your device settings and get started with using your Phantom Wallet account once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Phantom Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.